Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so this, if camera can focus, not sure if it's visible, it's like right here, the most protruding text, 10 watts charger. It's pretty puny. I've got a cable, and this is a, oh god no, why, micro USB. Okay, so there's some more paperwork, but just looking at the micro USB, I can already say that I am not looking forward to this device. So anyway, I just peel that off and get this disappointment out of the way. Here we go. Come on, turn on. There we go. So, starting with the display, this is a 6.5-inch display with a resolution of 720 by 1600. It's an LCD IPS display with a typical brightness of 400 nits, 81% screen to body ratio, and 269 pixels per inch. Nice. Then moving to the cameras, at the back we have dual camera setup, which both of them are just disappointing. So one is a 8 megapixel wide, and the other one is not even a single megapixel. It's 0.08 megapixel depth sensor, making it less than useless. Useless at least meant that something actually had some kind of purpose, and it fails at it. This has no purpose whatsoever. Now, before I start dumping on this device even further, I'm gonna mention that this is a really cheap device, coming at $72 US, give or take. Now, no matter what the price of this is, I will always say that any kind of phone at any price range is absolute dog shit when they include this kind of charging port in a device that has been released in what? Oh, March 24th, 2023, not 2016. No, like what is this? Get this plug out of any device. Luckily, European Union is gonna just go around just spanking everybody who decides to include this shit on their devices, because let's be honest, the inclusion of a USB port, which is now basically a standard for almost any device, like goodness sake, even my headphones have a Type-C port. So yeah, it's basically standard, but some companies decide to still save up like what, 2 freaking cents by putting this shit on their devices. Like, it makes the phone at 2023, in my opinion, almost unusable, because wherever you go, if your device is dead, you don't have a cable with you, guess what you're not gonna find most likely? A micro USB, but what you will find is a Type-C plug, which you cannot use, or cable more like. So yeah, I absolutely hate this inclusion and condemn this device straight from the get-go. I don't really care what the specs of it are, no matter what the price is. If it has this kind of port in 2023, it's gotta go. But for anyone who's interested, we are looking at a Helio G36 processor right here, 5000 mAh battery, from 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM, and from 32 to 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. And that's basically all actual like worth mentioning specs right here. It is a budget device by all means. We do have expandable storage also if you need that. So yeah, not much more to it. So yeah, kind of finishing this off at $70 US. I still wouldn't get this, even if it was the cheapest device, just because of that port. I highly recommend paying $5 more and getting something that has a Type-C port. You might not see the purpose of this, but believe me, you're gonna thank me later on. So anyway, with that being said, hit the like button if you like the video, and if not, I guess don't. And see you in the next one.